Today we're at the O2 Arena. We're setting up for the Brit Awards 2012, and I wanted to show you the setup that we have here. This arena holds 23,000 people. We're about 70 metres away from the back of the stage. There's the receiver we have set up at the back of the hall. We've got two 205s at the bottom there, two 2020s on the top, and another 205 in the centre. You can see some are horizontal, some are vertical, so I've mixed and matched those up so they're fairly random in relation to their polarisation. So that's working quite well, and we're quite fortunate here because the roof is quite got a lot of metal on it. It's actually a metal steel roof, so the reflections are quite good. On the Steadicam we also have a receiver which is being used to give auto cues, so the Steadicam can also do presented LED links directly to camera. And this is our new 5-way antenna, which was primarily designed for the receiver, but in this case we're using it on the transmitter. So this is a transmitter, 4 antennas going into the 4 ports, and it's sending all the signal in one direction, so that's facing the stage, and that allows the receiver on the Steadicam to receive the auto cue and be wireless, as well as sending his signal wireless. He's also receiving the signal back from the auto cue, so the auto cue is also wireless. We're using a 1500 Sony 1500 camera, Meridian transmitter on the top, taking the SDI feed from the camera and sending it to the receiver, which you saw in the other video. Below that is the telemetry, which plugs into the 8-pin of the camera, and in the truck that's being connected to an original Sony RCP. So all the RCPs match; they can match all the colours exactly the same. So they like that in the truck. Below that is this the bracket that we've built for the Sony 1500 and the Sony 300 series. It connects to the viewfinder V wedge. So it locks in there. It also locks on the back here by these screws that you can do it with your fingers, and it just makes the whole plate nice and solid. So it offers up a V-lock or Anton on the top and a V-lock on Anton on the back, and so it allows you to put the transmitter and the telemetry where you want it. In this particular job they decided to stick up the top, but you can quite easily put it on the back there as well, which then distributes the weight a little bit different. We also have got a monitor on the front of the camera which is being used for the auto cue, and we're feeding that with a receiver which is sitting on the bottom of the rig there, and so that's receiving the signal from the transmitter that you saw in the other video and allowing them to do the presenter LED links wireless, so being obviously wireless on the primary link and being wireless for the auto cue return as well. So that's the setup we have here at the O2 Arena for the Brit Awards.